It's an ordinary day.
No, it's not. It's an extraordinary day.
It's the first day, the day you start class at SAIT.
A little scary.
Very exciting.
And full of anticipation.
It is how the journey begins. A single step to a door into the future.
SAIT is no ordinary campus. When we walk through SAIT doors, we walk into industry. Learn by doing. Learn how to get it done. Instructors hand us the tools of our trades. The same tools we use when we graduate. They help us make, help us create, and help us to innovate.
We built a house, or 2 houses. Open the big doors and move them out.
We are Alberta's energy, oil and gas. We look for it, we process it. Electricity, we generate it.
If it's a vehicle and it moves, we fix it. From the smallest car to the biggest aircraft. We take them apart, we put them back together to make sure they fly right.
Life or death emergency. SAIT students learn skills to save lives. How cool is that? SAIT saves lives.
Our doors are global doors. We come to SAIT from across Canada, Asia, South America, Africa. And when we graduate, we work across the country and around the world.
Time for lunch. Grab a sandwich, open your books, compare notes, study, work on assignments, make lifelong friends. It's our passion. We strive for academic excellence.
Our classrooms aren't classrooms. They're idea rooms. Multimedia meeting places. Digital devices enhance learning, collaboration, teamwork, entrepreneurship.
We're carpenters.
And SAIT graduates
We build furniture, housewares, and art.
out of old skateboards.
We're both chefs and SAIT graduates.
I appeared on Top Chef Canada.
We've won international cooking competitions.
Together, we opened Charcut and Char Bar, 2 of Calgary's top restaurants.
I'm a SAIT graduate and I'm a millwright. I make art from metal, statues, outdoor installations, and this is one of my creations.
Our campus is on the traditional territories of the Blackfoot Confederacy. Today, this region encompasses the Indigenous peoples of the Treaty 7 region in southern Alberta and remains the homeland of the Northwest Métis.
At SAIT, we work and we play. Trojans, hockey, volleyball, basketball, soccer. Through these doors, we display courage, determination, spirit, and a really cool logo.
After a workout at the campus center, some fun with friends. But then it's back to business.
SAIT business. We crunch the numbers, logistics, accounting. We create businesses. Jeff or Carlson, what's your best advice to an aspiring entrepreneur?
Do your research. Make sure there's a market for your idea.
We learn skills to communicate with the world. Media work is hard work and long hours. Radio instructor Richard Stroobant says every grad needs to ask themselves just one question.
How bad do you want it?
Ordering 1 spear fry.
Yes, chef!
We learn. Slice and dice, bake and boil. Hospitality and tourism, we're among the best in the world at this.
That's not a boast, that is a fact.
You know, the first day is scary.
Then skills are acquired and confidence builds.
The SAIT journey enters a new phase.
One more door to go through.
The door to the rest of our lives.
SAIT is now a part of us.
We are SAIT graduates.
We are SAIT alumni.
Now, let's get to work.